We are legitimately in the desert right now, like legitimately in the middle of the desert. This wraps up, where are we? The New Mexico portion of this vlog. Our next leg starts in just a couple hours. We're gonna get on the road to Salt Lake City, Utah. So we'll see what Salt Lake City has to offer. That's about it. We'll see y'all on the road again.
Bye.
Peace. Let's go to Utah, puppies. Come on. Let's go.
Back.